Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python script to check Wi-Fi connection status. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a Python script to check the Wi-Fi connection status on your computer. This script can be useful for various purposes, such as ensuring that your application has a stable internet connection before performing certain tasks. Requirements. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. Code example. Explanation. The script begins by importing the subprocess and platform modules, which are essential for executing system commands and identifying the platform, respectively. The check_Wi-Fi_ connection function determines the operating system using platform.system, and then executes platform-specific commands to check the Wi-Fi connection status. For Windows, the script uses the netsh command to display information about network interfaces. If an error occurs, it indicates that the Wi-Fi is not connected. For Linux and Mac OS, the script uses the igitid command to check for the presence of a Wi-Fi connection. If an error occurs, it suggests that the Wi-Fi is not connected. The script prints the appropriate message based on whether the Wi-Fi is connected or not. Usage. Save the script with a .py extension, for example, check_Wi-Fi_connection.py. Open a terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where the script is saved. Run the script using the command, python check_Wi-Fi_connection.py. Conclusion. With this Python script, you can easily check the Wi-Fi connection status on different operating systems. Feel free to customize the script based on your specific requirements or integrate it into your projects for network-related functionalities. ChatGPT.